Machiegni kendo jotelo gi jolony mawuok nyandwat ma ugwe mar Kenya jiwo tend piny owacho mondo yangi oro kaka midhiero mokwako Kenya mangima. Gikwedo chenro mar kedo gi oro ma giwacho ni dhi mos mokalo e ka kauntis 12 to dwaro chiemo mapiyo. Bende gidwaro mondo mi piny owacho chwal omenda ne duol mochung' ne weche mag ring'o e pacho ka Kenya Meat Commission mondo mi ong'iew jamni mantiere gwenge ma oro kwako mondo mi ogeng' ne yudo lal manyalo biro.
We are faced with a very serious drought that in the history of northern Kenya, such serious drought we cannot remember, actually. The rains have failed for the last 4 consecutive rain seasons. The situation is very, very, very dear now as we talk. We have lost almost all livestock, which means his livelihood. The next thing is human life is in serious danger. We want you to take a very serious action. We want you to declare drought or this disaster as a national disaster today so that anybody willing anywhere in this world can come and help us.
You have already taken steps in the right direction, but that declaration, I'm sure, will open up the region for help. 23 ASAL counties are facing dire needs because of the drought. So please, our president, declare it a national disaster. Otherwise, we tell you, thank you very much. We're here to work with you, and we ensure that the region and Kenya gains more from your leadership and the leadership that you bestow on the region. I appeal to the government to kindly take this matter seriously, act upon it, the way they are taking the issue of fertilizer seriously, because they have came in, acted on the issue of fertilizer and given the people, the agriculturists,